Hello and welcome to a video lecture for the course CCS 246 or your introduction to artificial intelligence. Okay, so we will proceed on chapter 1 or the unit 1 for this course, which is the introduction to AI or your artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is chapter 1 of the book, a artificial intelligence and model approach. And this is going to be the outline of this lecture. So first we will define what is an AI, then we will tackle a brief history of AI, and next is we will discuss the different categories of AI, and then the state of art, and then last state of art of AI, and lastly is the risks and benefits of AI. Okay, so before we dive deeper in your AI or artificial intelligence, so we will just refer to it as AI. So what is AI? So how does a computer think like a human being? Okay. So systems or computers, diba? So there are four subcategories that we consider systems or computers to inherit or to uh, exhibit artificial intelligence. So there are systems that think like humans, that think like how they process information, diba? Act like humans, diba? Based on the information, paano nila gina-perform ang task, how they perform these tasks. Systems that think rationally. So in their thinking, so wala lang sila think randomly. So in thinking, for example, in solving the problems, so there may reason, there is rationality in thinking, and also in acting, so there is rationality. So there is a difference between thinking and then thinking not like thinking lang, and then thinking rationally, and then acting rationally. So we will define each of these subcategories. Okay. So how do we act? So how the systems act humanly? So paano yan na in the sense na masal-anblas ang ibang tao that that their ang ginastorya nila is a system, not an actual human. Okay. So Turing in 1950, so they established that computing machinery and intelligence. So they asked this important question: Can machines think? And can machines behave intelligently? So think like human, di ba? Paano makaprocess ba sila information? Bala naton nga makaprocess sila information madasig. But alain man be the way humans think, di ba? So they think, di ba, in making a decision about the food nga pilion ta. So computers can think on in choosing on based on several factors. So the way human think man in choosing food can consider several factors man. So some of these factors can be replicated in machines while others cannot be replicated in machines. Okay. So there is Turing established an operational test for intelligent behavior. So which is your Turing test? Okay. So this is also called the imitation game. Now, why imitation game? So this is a game where the human, diba, your human interrogator, as you can see right here, tries to distinguish if ang ginastorya is either a human man or an AI system. Okay, so the human interrogator is interacting. So magas na siya if human based sa sabat, diba? Based sa output na ginatag. So the interrogator will guess if either human siya or AI system. So Turing predicted by the year 2000, machines might have a 30% chance of fooling a layperson for 5 minutes. So if a normal person was to sit as the interrogator, by may 30% siya nga ano, nga may 30% chance siyang ma-fool siya sang AI system to think nga tao nang ginastorya or gina-interact yan. Okay. So this anticipated all major arguments against AI in the following 50 years. So this was in 1950, no? And then doon medyo matayog pa niyang ilang ilang dreams for AI. So what AI can do. Okay. So the suggested major components of AI that will perform efficiently in the Turing test, ba is dapat may knowledgeable si AI. Reasoning niya, ilang reasoning in performing these actions. Language understanding, so the way humans interact is through language. Manabe. Linguistics and learning. So learning enables your AI systems to learn from data, to learn from their past mistakes, to learn from experience, and so on. Okay. But the problem here sa Turing test, this is not reproducible, constructive, or amenable to mathematical analysis. So in the end, sumabase na siya sa problem. Sa mabase sa problem like, for example, there is a Turing test for an AI for for ano for language translation. Diba? So anyway, full man sang ano by that si AI is wala understand ang language. So may aral siya na establish na library. So ina-convert nila na siya o gina-translate niya lang ang language from one language to another and then amo na ginasabat yan. So wala gyud siya sang deeper meaning, deeper understanding. So all uh, the AI system does is just translation lang gyud. So wala na sang mathematical analysis nga maka-handle sang Turing test kundi siya reproducible, meaning align gyud ni ang output sang inyo Turing test. Kundi siya similar. Okay. So in the 1960s, we have the cognitive revolution. So this is part na siya yapon sa thinking humanly, no? Thinking humanly na siya gali. So previously is acting humanly. Now here is thinking humanly. So how does human think? So bago ma-implement sa AI systems on how they think, diba like a human, so dapat mabalanta kung paano kita ga think. So here, so we have in the 1960s, the cognitive revolution. So here, information processing psychology is replaced by the prevailing orthodoxy of behaviorism. Okay. So with this requires scientific theories of internal activities of the brain. Okay. So the activities, ano man na ang kakatabo inside your brain. So ano man na ang parts ng brain ang light up when you're thinking of something, when your motor neurons are acting up. So naman na parts ng brain are responsible for the different aspects or different um, aspects of different functions of the human body. Okay. So what are the levels of abstraction? Is it on the knowledge level or the circuits level? So knowledge level is the big picture, no? So circuits level is doon the specific na siya nga parts. Specific na siya nga ano. So knowledge is more general, while si circuits is more on specific. So granularized na siya. So how do we validate the cognitive behaviors? So predicting testing behavior on human subjects and direct identification from neurological data. Okay. So with this, your cognitive science and cognitive neuroscience are distinct from AI. Kaya this one, ano man mo, studies on how we humans think. So medyo, although AI can think, though hindi man niya ma-reach, hindi niya pa, I think subong hindi niya pa ma-reach ang the way humans think. So, with compare sa AI. Okay, there are other factors nga no mo kaka-affect sa atin ng cognition. Not just the objective sense, but also subjective sense. As individuals, diba, may ara kita subjective na preferences. Okay, so these preferences may or may not be shared by others. Okay, so both your cognitive science and cognitive neuroscience share with AI in the following characteristics. The available theories that do not explain, and anything resembling human level general intelligence. Okay. So all of these, although separate siya from AI, distinct siya from AI, may field siya, may direction siya nga gina-share. So human level general intelligence, di ba? So with the information that comes with you, so you can generalize on the output or the outcome on or something. Okay, so now we will proceed on thinking rationally na. So this is different from thinking humanly, thinking rationally. Okay. So we have the prescriptive, di ba? So here, when we think rationally, we are thinking prescriptive. So you see, thinking humanly, this, it thinks more on description or the descriptive type. Okay. So in rationally, may ara kita ginatawag na right or wrong. Yeah. Kaya when we say thinking or acting humanely, na siya, base mo na siya sa imong preferences. Wala na siya subject to black and white or right or wrong. Now, when we go to rationality na, may right and wrong na siya nga ginabot nga gina-include. Okay. Aristotle said that, or asked, what are the correct arguments, thought processes? So what is the correct way to think? What is the correct way to solve problems? What is the correct way to do some things? Okay. So several Greek schools developed various forms of logic. So you have notation and rules of derivation for thoughts. So this may or may not have proceed to the idea of mechanization. Okay. So with this type of thinking, diba, right or wrong na, we have a direct line through mathematics and philosophy to modern AI. Now this is something that is applicable na to AI. Kay with AI, diba, numbers, may siya binary mo. Ito, mo na learn nyo, diba? There is a binary. Ano understand binary? 0 for true or false, but 1 for true. With this, may siya. AI, diba? AI systems can draw a line, can make a difference, can think of, can clearly see a difference between right or wrong or decisions, diba? Thinking what is right and thinking what is wrong. Okay. Okay. So but may problems man on thinking rationally. So not all intelligent behaviors is mediated by logical deliberation. And Mangkot theory is, what is the purpose of thinking? So what thoughts should I have out of all these thoughts? And that I could have. So what should I have? So ano siyang purpose ng thinking? Is there any outcome? Probable outcome maka-benefit ang AI? So may isip lang siya mo. So we're talking about just thinking rationally. So next is we will proceed on acting rationally na. So this is different again from your acting humanely. Kay with here, we have what we call a rational behavior. So rational behavior, we are doing the right thing. So we are acting, diba, to get to the right direction, right thing. So kung ubron to opposite, so we will do the wrong thing. Okay, so this right thing is that which is expected to maximize goal achievement given the available information. So with that, hatag ka sa AI system sang information, and then based on the information, AI system can give out instructions or can perform a series of tasks that will lead to irrational behavior. So which is right thing na siya. So most of the time, so when we act rationally, no, so this doesn't necessarily involve a lot of thinking. So such as your reflexes, your ano yung tawag naman, involuntary reflex. So most of the time, but in acting rationally, thinking should be in the service of rational act. So this one, in thinking rationally, dapat ma-act ka na siya rationally. So lain na siyang ano, process. Okay, so as according to Aristotle, so every art and every inquiry, and similarly every action and pursuit is thought to aim at some good. Okay, diba? So ang muna siya medyo may ano na si AI. So instead of just doing things or thinking on solving a problem humanly, so may basis na sila. So based on the information that they have, so either they can think on the process to do the right thing or do a task to do that will lead them to the right, the correct answer man siya or the correct behavior and so on. Okay. So, in AI, may ara ta ginatawag na rational agents. So when we say agent, so this is an entity that perceives and acts. So think about the movies, 'di ba? Ang inyong agents nila. So those are people that perceive nila environment nila. So based on their current situation, they will think on a strategy, 'di ba? That they will act out. Okay. So okay. So abstractly, an agent is a function from perceived histories to actions. Diba? So we have an agent, diba? F. So mayroon kita histories or percept. So when we say percept history, so these are the informations nga currently or in the previous man be in the previous second, in the previous minute na experience ng agent o may hawid sa agent. So this percept histories or information will lead for the agent to do an action. Okay, so for any given class of environment and task, we seek the agent with the best performance. Okay, so with this, sa simple setup of your agents in AI, diba? For them to think, to make decisions based on the current information they have, then perform actions, a set of actions to get the best outcome. So the computational limitations make perfect rationality unachievable. So when you say perfect rationality, out of 1,000 or 1 million nga ano, nga, nga possible outcomes, diba? So may isa da siguro nga or the computer, the AI cannot decide, cannot choose the best decision. Okay. So based on the ano man, the computational resources available. Okay. So let's move first to the AI prehistory. Okay. So for AI to be established as of now, so mayroon kita sa philosophy. So sa philosophy, so this takas monologic methods of reasoning, mind as a physical stem, foundational learning, language, and rationality. So more on the foundation ng AI that is rooted on philosophy. Philosophy, mo to doing the right thing, acting humanely versus acting rationally. And after that, since after nga na-establish na may rationality na, so there is a scientist and philosophers can insert mathematics to the AI. So this is formal representation and proof algorithms, computations, and probability. So which can lead, diba, to the rationality of the AI. So psychology, we have our adaptation, diba? Adaptation of AI to certain situations. And phenomena of perception and motor control. This is related to the action that the AI can do. Phenomena of perception and motor control, your experimental techniques, and so on. And nag-proceed naman kita sa economics, the formal theory of rational decisions, diba? Rational decisions that that is applied na siya on economics na as in the bigger scale of things. Okay. So once economics, ara kita linguistics. Linguistics, knowledge representation, and grammar. So this involves the understanding of AI in language. Then it come nakatakot sa neuroscience. So this is the plastic physical substrate for mental activity and control theory. So homeostatic systems, stability, and simple optimal agent designs. Okay, so we will continue on the history of AI in the next video. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one.